So this is the unboxing and review of the Bentoben Pixel 4a 5G phone case. We actually bought this for $8.99, $9 before tax. Yeah, we're gonna put the link down below. I don't know if this is still available though. um, Last time I checked, this is no longer available in Amazon, so maybe I don't know. So yeah, it's pink. This is actually my wife's phone, so I'm gonna ask her how she likes it, and I'm not really the one gonna be giving the review, but I'll ask her if what she thinks about this phone case. So this case comes with a piece of metal. So this is actually for something like a magnetic phone car mount. So it came with a double-sided sticker. So you can actually stick this thing on here. Yeah, it works that way. So this case is actually really slim, but it is really slippery. So my wife was using this for a few days and she said it's really slippery. So my wife actually asked me to buy this phone case instead. This is the same phone case that she had with on the Pixel 3 XL she had before, and she thought that she doesn't like this, but after using this case, she's like, oh, okay, I'm not gonna go with any other case. So she asked me to buy this one instead. So I'm gonna have a separate review for this phone case, if you're interested. What we don't like about this case is, one, is slippery, and second, I don't know if you can actually see it, like there's dents in here already. And the phone case came that way. So imagine after using this for a while, and it's gonna look really ugly. So that's another issue. And the third issue that we found is that, oh man, this, yeah, that's a really big gap in here. It's kind of weird, and this is also sticking far too much too. So if you're gonna do the gesture last to screen, like the back button, this is just really feel like too high. And then last issue is that the button the button really feels like you have to put a little bit more force to press it. It doesn't feel the same as without the case. Unlike this case, actually the buttons really feel like the same with or without this case. But with this case, the buttons really feel harder to press now. So we were actually planning to return this phone case, but my wife thought that this phone case still gonna be useful, like in case there's no other phone case around that can be used right away. So it's a good spare, but not a like a daily use. We don't really recommend anybody to buy this case. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subs if you love it. And as always, guys, stay busy, safe and healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.